direito, porque eles falam que muda os lugares.
Os lugares, né? Acabamos chegando no Disney Springs. Hoje o rolê é acampamento do Tico e Teco. A gente vai pegar... Isso, vamos pegar o ônibus até o Disney Fort Winds, Disney Springs.
O número
25? Fort Winds Resorts. Isso mesmo. Fort Winds Resort, tá, plataforma 25. Isso mesmo, depois de pegar o ônibus pro resort. Size Morals em Tickendale. Tá bem aqui no acesso ao Disney Springs, mas bastante plataforma. Disney Fort Winds. Acabou de chegar o ônibusinho. Bus Fort Winds. Depois para perguntar para Deus e o mundo, esse é o busão que deixou a gente aqui no Tickendale, fogueirinha do Tico e Teco. A gente vê aqui que é um lugar bem gostoso, meio clima de acampamento, bastante árvore. Parece que tem uma lojinha. Ônibusinho do Star Wars. Então a gente veio do Epcot, parou no ponto na entrada do resort e pegamos esse ônibus até aqui. Então não dá pra vir de a pé da segunda parada até aqui. Então Epcot, primeira parada, pega outro ônibus e vem até aqui. Tem a lojinha aqui. Entra, filha. Hello.
This afternoon he was looking at one of the issue now. There's 16,000.
Mickey. Parece meio que uma conveniência. Magic Band, os Bottoms. Mas querem de conveniência de hotel. Bastante coisa para trailers. Então, café. O pessoal acampa muito aqui nesse hotel. Mas tem coisas que você só encontra aqui, que nos parques não tem. Que isso?
É caneta.
Ah, nossa, que canetão.
É, aí você tira.
Nossa.
Ai, olha a Stitch. É a Stitch.
Ah, Stitch. Ah, tá umas coisas bonitas aqui. Ai. Olha, filha. De coelho.
Ah, esse aqui é no Disney Springs.
Tem? Nossa, negócio do Gastão de flecha. Carteiras. Baratinho, 50 boleta. Camiseta 34. Bonés. A luva do Mickey. Não tinha visto ainda. Mickey feiticeiro.
Eu não tinha visto o Mickey feiticeiro.
24. Bonito ali. Olha o macaquinho do... Ele olha. Mas tem que procurar, senão comprar no site. Ah, o Buzz. Quem tem o Buzz? O tio Caio, né? Ah, que porta-retrato bonito.
Ah, bota horizonte.
É. Nossa. A orelhinha deles. Aqui no... Tem bastante coisinha. Olha lá, Maria, eles dois. Vai lá.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Como é que pode ir?
Foto? Sim, sim, pode, Marita. Vou tirar, vou tirar. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye, Marito. Dá bye bye pra eles. Bye bye. Thank you, tchau.
Ele também tá banguelinho.
Dá manguelinho?
Ele viu, ele percebeu que eu tô uma galinha.
Se não ver o tic-tac, vai ver de novo.
Tipo, ele percebeu.
Uma porrada?
Tipo, pai, ele tem esses negocinhos.
Ele tem os dentinhos?
Os dentinhos?
Acho que aquele era o Teco.
Ah, era o Teco?
Ele tem essas duas aqui.
Então, eu não sabia se podia
Ele
abraçar,
falou.
porque às vezes eles estavam com
É, também, por algum lá.
Ele tá com uma galinha.
Aliás. Hã? Tá. O cachorro.
Até com os
Cuidado,
cachorros.
Tico. Cuidado, Tico.
Ai, coitado. Olha eles lá. Brincando com os cachorrinhos.
Eita.
Olha que
Os
coisa
cachorros tá com
linda.
medo.
Olha que coisa mais linda. Os cachorros não vão morder eles.
Cabana. Laguinhos, pato. Aqui agora são 6h10 mais ou menos. No Brasil já é 7. Tem uma família ali. Mesinha. Tem mais mesa ali, mais as partes do trailer. Os trailers. O campo do Teco. Pode, vamos lá.
Eu vou por aqui.
Não, pro mato não, tem aqui pra andar, vem pra cá. Não tem que ir por aí. Olha lá, ó. Tem que esperar agora. Arranjar um banquinho pra sentar.
Pode entrar agora?
Ainda não.
Ali está a fogueira.
Só a fogueira. Fogueira, banquinho.
Eu
Tem
vou
uma mesa.
aqui. Descansar.
Acho que pra lá não tem nenhum banquinho.
Nossa, que os trilhos
Vocês
tem
querem
locais
ver
pra
o
você
Tico?
fazer.
Gente, o Tico!
Tem o Tico?
O Tico espinhinho. Cadê
Legal.
o Teco?
Ah, você já traz a sua bandeirinha, ó.
O Teco tá de
É.
Have a nice day.
Teco.
E ó, tem os negócios pra você.
Teco.
Vamos cá. Água, energia e tal.
É, não, aqui tem tudo o esgoto pra você colocar.
Nosso trailer, cadê?
Motorhome, cadê o motorhome?
Nós somos VIPs. Cadê o nosso? Somos VIPs.
Quem disse pra você que nós somos VIPs? Nós somos.
Nós estamos gravando.
Né, Márcio?
Nós gravamos.
Nós somos xeretas.
Aquele ali tem uma antena de internet.
Deixa isso aqui aberto.
Vem pra cá, o carro. Pessoal, só carrinho de golfe. Aqui, filha. Mó barato, as criançadas se diverte. Vários lagartinhos.
Tem que andar devagar.
Olha lá, olha. Esquilinho.
Cadê o Teco?
Olha lá, ó. Tem um ali, ó.
Eu vou pegar o Teco.
Quer pegar o Teco?
Vai buscar o seu irmão, Teco.
O Tic-Teco vem.
Do you wanna join them?
Do you want to hold my hand and I'll walk you over there?
Oh, Dell's coming. Oh, there we go. He got him back.
We're ready now.
Okay, big smells right here, buddy. Thank you. That works. Right here.
Que lindo. Começou, que a galerinha tá colocando foguinho aqui na fogueira. Então vamos lá comprar os s'mores. E nesse carinha aqui, ó.
Have a good day.
Peguei aqui o rapaz, super gente boa, ele fala português, então já ajuda. Você chega muito no information e ele dá um toque. Ele pergunta quantos palitos, pegou 4 pra ver se não vai que um queima, fica ruim. Aí, mais o tax e mais a caixinha saiu uns 12 dólares. Bom que você não precisa estar comprando pra trazer nem nada. Já tá bem escurecendo legal aqui. Fogueirinha já tá comendo solto ali, ó. A molecada já tá nos s'mores ali. Tá, Maria? Vai fazer o seu? Olha. Mouse. Tá bom, hein? Fogueirinha. Morde aí, Maria. Vê se tá bom. Morde. Morde a bolacha. Isso.
É bom.
Cold? It was a little chilly on the right.
What? Put the windshield. What is it?
Next to me.
Aqui, ó. Você vai comer esse?
Aí pega essa mensagem que pode ir. Pega.
Puxa, 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 paleta. Põe na boca, põe na boca, põe na boca. Avião. Encheu bastante aqui, hein? Agora são... Falta 10 para as 8. O quê? Mais? Aqui. Vem. Espeta aqui. Segura o palito. 1, 2, 3 e... Vai, vai. Aí, vai lá. Devagar, cuidado. Não fica pra onde a fogueira tá soprando. Fica longe. Vai lá, vai lá. Não deixa pegar fogo não, filho. Vai pegar fogo, vai pegar fogo. Não, pegou não. Assim, ó. Ó.
Here, I'll do it.
Yada, you might be the silliest girl I've ever seen.
Excited?
Eita, esse ficou da hora. Queimou a mão?
No means. Same 7 people louder. Can you all snap your fingers right here? Trailers for cigarettes, rooms to live 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. Ain't got no cigarettes, about 2 hours of pushing broom, buys an 8x12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means by no means. Well, I think it's time to bring Chip and Dale out here. What do you folks say? Yeah? I think if we can get some clapping, some screaming, some cheering, we can probably get them out here, folks. Put your hands together. It's clapping, screaming, cheering. Chip and Dale are being escorted tonight by the Rye family all the way from Michigan. Yeah. It's Chip and Dale. They're just a couple of crazy rascals out having fun. When Chip and Dale start cooking up some trouble, you can bet it gets well done. Folks all say they are the cutest two. To tell the truth, I think so too. Clapping, screaming, and cheering for the famous Chip and Dale. Thank you, Rye family.
They're gonna dance.
It's Chip and Dale, great sensation corporation. They are Chip and Dale. Chip and Dale. Dale and Chip and Dale. Yeah, man. These guys have been waiting to see you folks. Have you guys been waiting to see Chip and Dale? Give me a yee-haw. Yeah. Chip and Dale, they're very excited to see you guys. And take a look at it. Don't they look extra smart? Just take a look. Yeah, they look like very intelligent people. As a matter of fact, folks, if you get it, just raise your hand. There's no need to react. Okay, yeah, they did get it. Yeah. Still didn't react. Yeah, that's right. And he's got the 2 teeth that are really far apart. Take a look at those 2 teeth really far apart right there. Yeah. Close together, nice nose. Then the other nose over here. That's Chip and Dale. Those are the 2 major differences. Now there's something very similar about these guys. These guys are the most active chipmunks you will ever find in the world. Isn't that true, guys? They did something today. They're going to show you. And I need y'all to yell it out if you can figure out what this activity is. Chip and Dale, show the nice folks what you guys did today. And a great sensational corporation. They are Chip and Dale. One more time, folks, screaming and cheering. Come on. All right, you ready? You are my sunshine.
Only sunshine.
And we're right back to terrible. Yeah, so, all right, let's do this. Everybody take a look at the sign behind me. What does it say? The campfire. Okay. Remember, Moana, 11:30. You are my sunshine.
Only sunshine. Make me happy with skies gray.
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take
My sunshine away.
Can y'all whistle? Hi ho, it's home from work we go. And the answer is no. This is a good one right here. This is something that Woody Guthrie did many years ago, if you remember. We were probably, I don't know, 6 years old, I think, when I learned this song. First grade, small town, couple of cows in my family. Matter of fact, my mom called the other day and They had a fire in the bathroom, but they were happy it didn't reach the house. See, it's a small town, and this bathroom's not attached to the house. Okay, that's all. This land is your land. From California to the New York Island, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Water. Sing with me. We need a yeehaw all together. Y'all like country music? Any particular country? No. Okay. I think if we can clap together, this is going to really be this is going to be a big one right here. Can y'all clap together? All right, together's the key. All right, now we usually don't have to rehearse clapping, so let's try it again. All right. I'll jump in. That's okay. Country road, take me home to the place. Sing with me. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country road. Oh yeah. You can feel the love. Can you feel the love? You know what? Hug somebody you love. Go ahead. Everybody hug somebody you love. Yeah. Or your wife. It doesn't matter. If you have more than one child, hug the one you care the most about. Oh, yeah. There we go. Gonna be a long ride home for some of you. And you know, you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. We're gonna stomp our feet, so get ready. And we're gonna say stomp, stomp, all together. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Coming together now. We got the yeehaw. If you're happy and you know it, say yeehaw. Yeehaw! Happy and you know it, say yeehaw. Yeehaw! Happy and you know it, you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say yeehaw. Yeehaw! This is for all the dog lovers. Oh. Can this dog howl on command? No. My dog, I'm feeling a little bit bad right now because my dog swallowed some Scrabble tiles earlier this morning. And I brought her to the vets, but no word yet. Hands up everywhere. There you go. Happy and you know it. Give a howl. Happy and you know it. Give a howl. Happy and you know it. Really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a howl. My favorite one right here. It's the scream, but it's not just a regular scream. It's a roller coaster scream. So if you can get your hands up like this one, yeah, just like you're going down the first hill of a roller coaster. And we're going to let out a big scream. If you're happy and you know. With this young guy over here, right there. He told me he was 5. That's what you're 5. That's good. Okay, excellent. Here we go. Okay, if y'all can just face the group out there because we're gonna sing. They're gonna sing "Happy Birthday" to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Round of applause for all of our birthday folks. Thank y'all for coming up. Yeah.
Não vale. Você não foi.
Celebrating his birthday. Yeah, that was excellent. I think it's time probably to get Chippendale back out here. What do you folks say, huh? Should we get Chippendale out here? We're going to do the hokey pokey in just a minute, but first, we need some clapping, some screaming, some cheering for the famous Chippendale. Come on, folks. left hip, and they were social appropriation. Well, chip and dale. All right, folks, this is what we need. We need everybody that wants to do the hokey pokey to come on up and make a big wide circle around Chip and Dale. All the way back to the screen right back there. We need people all the way back there. We need a big circle. You gotta give Chip and Dale some room to do some dancing. Old MacDonald had a farm. On this farm he had some ducks. With a quack quack here, quack quack there, here a quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. Nothing like the hokey pokey. You know, the guy that wrote the hokey pokey was here about a week ago.
Maria.
Couldn't get him on any of the rides. He had put his left foot in and... Yeah, it's implied, but yeah.
Vem cá, vem cá, vem cá, vem cá.
We got a lot of excitement over Chip and Dale. Okay, folks, do me a favor. Take a look behind you. If you have any room, take one giant step back. Everybody take one step back. We'll make the circle as big as we can. Chip and Dale, can you show the little ones which one the left foot is? Because we're going to start with that left foot. Everybody ready? Can somebody show Chip which one the left foot is? Yeah, show Chip which one. Yeah, it's the left foot right there. That's it. Okay. You put your left foot in, left foot out, left foot in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right foot in, right foot out, right foot in, shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your knees in, knees out, knees in, shake them all about. Do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left hip in, left hip out, left hip in and shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right hip in, right hip out, right hip in and you shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Yeah. Folks, take a good look at Dale's face right there. Doesn't he look extra excited tonight? Yeah. There's a reason for that. He's celebrating. Yeah, he's celebrating the fact that at one time he was addicted to this hokey pokey, but he has turned himself around. Thank you for the straight line over there. Excellent. There we go. You put your elbows in, elbows out, elbows in and you shake them all about. Do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. Shoulders now. Put your shoulders in, shoulders out, shoulders in and you shake them all about. Do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. If you're having fun, give us a yeehaw. Yeah. All right. You put your head in, head out, head in and you shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Chip and Dale, can you show the folks how we shake our backside here at the campfire show?
Agora terminou. O cantor começou a parte do filme, cineminha, só que a gente vai partir pra casa. Tchau, Teco. Aqui vai uma galera com carrinho de golfe. O pessoal vem tudo das casas, os carrinhos de golfe aqui pra parar no Teco. Então, a galera que vai embora e a gente vamos pegar nosso bus até o Teco. Vamos, meu amor. Agora
Pai, esqueci o nome. Minha orelhinha.
Ah, é?
Minha orelhinha eu ia usar.
Ah, a orelhinha hoje?
Eu vou usar hoje.
Isso aí, pessoal. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. A gente vai agora pro Disney Springs fazer o trajeto de volta que a gente fez.
Vai, mostra aqui.
Fala, Maria, gostou?
Gostei. E deixa o like.
Deixa
senão
o
vou
like,
pegar.
se inscreve no canal e ativa o sininho.
Isso. Senão vou pegar, hein? Vou pegar. Vou pegar mesmo.
Bye, bye.
Bye.